All right, today we're going to do some Chinese fish. It's quite spicy, this one, but it's absolutely delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got 3 cups of a white fish. I'm using a dory fish, or also known as pollock. What I've done with it, defrosted it, patted it dry, cut it into fairly chunky pieces. I've got a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, ginger powder, chili powder, 2 teaspoons fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of corn flour. You could use potato if you wanted. Okay, mixing bowl, the couple of teaspoons of fish sauce. Be careful with fish sauce, it really is wonderful stuff, but it's very, very pungent. And then we're gonna go teaspoon each salt, pepper, ginger powder, and chili powder. Couple of tablespoons of corn flour. We're gonna give that a mix. And then simply, we're gonna get over to the cooker and fry this off. So if you want, you can deep fry or shallow fry. We're gonna go for much more of a shallow fry. I've got about 5 tablespoons of oil in there, and I'm just using a corn oil. The heat's on high, just put it on, so we're gonna get the fish in. And because this fish is quite delicate, it's gonna cook really quickly, like 3 minutes aside on a highish heat is going to do the job. Now I'm not going to crowd the pan, so I'm probably going to do this in 2 batches. Once it's done, it's very simple, just 3 minutes, flip it 3 minutes, set it aside, we can move on. So look, I've reduced the oil down by 50%. We've still got oil in there, and it's got a lovely flavour to it because we just cooked the fish in there. Half a cup onion. Now you can hear and see that the heat's on quite high. A tablespoon of garlic. Now if you want, you can put ginger in as well, like the same amount. 3 minutes, keep it moving. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Beautiful stuff. Okay, you ready? It's all gonna go in now. So, chili flakes, I mean optional, but kind of what the dish is really. As much or as little as you like. I've got probably a couple of teaspoons there I've just put in. We're now gonna add half a cup of a light soy. Half a cup of ketchup. I'm going to grab some black pepper. I'm not adding salt, but black pepper. A couple of nice pinches. Then we're going to take our fish. We're going to reintroduce that to the pan. And just for 2 minutes on a high heat, we're going to be gently throwing that around so it gets that lovely sauce that we've just made all over it. Okay, off goes the heat. I've got a cup here of spring onions or green onions, just the end part's quite big. Gonna fold them in, job done, beautiful stuff. There you go, look, that's beautiful, that is. Just put a few little sesame seeds on the top there to finish it off. Hope you enjoy that, keep safe and keep well. I will see you soon, well, I hope. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.